When you are in the park, there is this beautiful paved road, and next to this paved road there is always a little path that people have created naturally, and it sort of probably leads to the closest supermarket or to the bus station. When you analyze this before creating something, you actually make solutions that are useful for people. You are currently in the UX Riga 2018 event, and there were some workshops happening. Behind me, it was one of them. My workshop was called the UX Experience for a Beginner Level, and I was trying to get people kind of think a little bit outside the box and use the basic medium, which is a pen and a pencil, which is actually the starting phase when you want to design something. We sort of did 3 steps to reach the goal, to get a solution to a problem. The participants, they explored creating a persona profile, making a user journey, and creating wireframes. And actually these methods can be used in any business or any company, and it sort of makes the people understand that they should be designing for the person, for the user. I think it has to be used in any situation when you create something, when you design mobile apps, or when you design a product or a service or whatever. You have to think how it's going to be useful for the person, not thinking and putting just earning money in the first place. I think when I was a kid, I remember my granny, she was always remaking things. She was like a design thinking guru without knowing it. And then I myself, I sort of tried prototyping, or tried using user experience by creating my first prototype. When I studied in Denmark, I created something to put my computer inside and to be able to work outside in the garden. I just used a cardboard box and a little bowl for washing hands, and that was my first prototype. And I thought, why can't I find something like that in the shop, because I really need it. And and then I thought, okay, that's a really cool thing, to think about things that are actually very useful and simple, and maybe they're not there. Begin with the most simple thing that we use today in the workshop, which is pen and a pencil, and just start writing down their ideas and try sketching, capturing things around them, taking photos of the things that inspire them, and that's where it all begins. Have great ideas, there are ways how to sort of make them happen, and it's the best when you have a mixed team of different people who do different things, work in different areas. You come up with the best solutions. I'm super happy. I think you had really great ideas, so thank you everyone.